I got a new lead.
What is it?
Hydro is going to be attacked in 3 days. We have to stop the manufacturing menace. But how? We don't know what the working conditions are like at Hydro. How are we stopping something we don't know?
I guess we're gonna have to go to Hydro and find out for ourselves.
Let's go!
Now I can figure out what makes Hydro such a good company to finally destroy them.
Whoa, this place looks awesome. Why would anyone want to destroy it?
I don't know, but we need to go in and find out why Hydro is a good working place.
Then we can figure out when and why the menace would attack. Hydro is an aluminum company that focuses on production, sales and trading, and production of primary aluminum and rolled products, as well as recycling.
FBI, can I have your name and what you do here?
My name's Nicole, and I work in finance.
My name's Albert Schneider. I'm the process engineer for Press One.
My name is Mark Leonard Jr., and I'm a safety liaison here at Hydro.
My name is Robert Taylor, and I am an automation operator.
What are your favorite aspects of working here?
My favorite aspect is that this is the newer press. It is state-of-the-art for our company.
My favorite aspects of working here are all the people here. There's also a lot of new things every day. I get to learn a lot, and that's one of my favorite things to do. Everyone cares about each other. It's really nice to come to work. When I'm having a bad day, I know there's a lot of people who care and want to make it better.
Every day brings its own challenges, and it's different every day, but it's a good thing.
My favorite aspects of working here is the process. The whole process of going from nothing to having a finished product on the table.
Now that we know what the working conditions are like, we just have to find the employee that's the least caring. That's our menace.
Halt! You're under arrest for the attempted downfall of Hydro.
What? You have the right to remain silent.
Get off me! You're the manufacturing menace. You tried to stop Hydro.
No, my plans have been soiled.
You tried to take over Hydro, but nothing can beat their efficiency.
Good work, team.